And now, microwave smashing, part 2. This time we're in the upstairs of the shop, as you can see. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see from that point of view, but you probably can. As you can see, I've brought the microwave up here, where I will smash it with this thing. This thing is really heavy, actually, so this should be good. You guys can see. Maybe put it there. Can you see from that angle? Yeah, I'll just hope you can, and if you can't, I'm sorry. Alright. Enough small talk. Let's get down to smashing. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Alright. Now, piece broke off again. Or maybe I hope that was from the microwave. Very much hope that was from the microwave. Alright. Just turn it around like this. You can barely even tell this used to be a microwave now, except for this label. Better get rid of that label somehow. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Man, if this doesn't entertain you guys, I don't know what will. This thing is never gonna work again. Oh my god. Okay. If you guys can't see from that point of view, I will show you the carnage. That's the carnage. Zooming in. I can't even tell which way is the... I'll forget it. I don't want to smash that thing because it could be a nuclear reactor, who knows. I don't want to get radiated to death, or however you say it. Alright. Man, I gotta get rid of that label. Whew. Oh man, that thing is heavy. Whatever that is. If any of you know who it is, or know what it is, please leave a comment saying what it is. Alright. Ow, gee. Anyway. According to this, the battery's dead, so I'll try to wrap it up. Alright. Give it a few last good smashes. And for a grand finale, I will throw it down the stairs. If I can find somewhere to pick it up. Alright. A 1. I'll throw it down the stairs a couple more times. That was fun. totally smashed this thing. It would have been better if it was in perfect condition before I started the video, but you have to take what you can get around here. Oh. I was originally taking this thing apart piece by piece, but I just decided to smash it. Open it, leave the door open, try not to hit the car, and yeah, actually, now that I think about hitting the car, I'm gonna leave the door open. Alright. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Actually, I'll be pretty surprised if this doesn't get any likes. RP14 out.